Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn Microsoft Outlook back online if you've accidentally switched to offline mode or intentionally worked offline and now need to reconnect. This quick fix will get your emails flowing again in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This step is essential because you need to be in your main Outlook workspace to access the settings we'll be adjusting. Give it a moment to fully load your inbox and folders so everything is ready to work with. Once your email has been loaded, to turn Microsoft Outlook back online, navigate to your Send/Receive menu. You'll find this located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menu are positioned. This tab contains all the options related to sending and receiving emails, which is exactly where we need to be. From the list of options displayed, click on Send/Receive. Now here's the straightforward part. To turn Microsoft Outlook back online, simply click on the Work Offline option to toggle it off. This option controls whether Outlook is connected to your mail server or working independently without an internet connection. When you click it, you're essentially telling Outlook to disconnect from offline mode and reconnect to your email server. Once you've toggled this off, Microsoft Outlook will start reconnecting back online automatically. You can confirm the action by clicking on the Send/Receive All Folders option. This refreshes your Outlook and forces it to check for new messages and sync all your folders with the server. You should see your emails start updating, and any messages that were waiting to be sent will now go through. And there you have it. You've successfully turned Microsoft Outlook back online and restored your connection to send and receive emails normally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.